love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Hey Luxx babes, so welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are doing a curly flip over sew-in, Luxx babes, and I'm bringing you guys along, so make sure you watch until the end. I am using my Luxx curly raw bundles, which is here. I have a 22, 24, and 26 inch. Come along, Luxx babes. So off camera, Luxx babes, I did shampoo and treat my hair before this sew-in, and I went ahead and blow dried and sectioned my leave out. I did section a whole 360 because I wanted to be able to put it in a ponytail and do the flip over method on both sides. So as you can see, I'm about to check it out, make sure that both sides is good and secured. After that, off camera, my mentor did go ahead and do my braid down, and she sewed in the first bundle, which was the 26 inch. This is what my mentor did off camera. As you can see, the braid down, the install of the 26 inch curly bundle, giving y'all a whole 360. And now I'm about to install the 24 inch curly bundle. And yes, Luxx babes, this is the extra Luxx package, which includes 3 bundles, the shampoo, the whole shebang, Luxx babes. Make sure you're booking the Luxx package. So Luxx babes, I do want to explain what our Luxx packages are and what services we provide Luxx packages for. So Luxx packages are hair included services. We offer Luxx packages with sew-ins, quick weaves, and tape-ins. So the natural Luxx package is 3 bundles of 16 inch through 22 inch. 3 bundles of you can get Luxx curly, Luxx straight, or Luxx wavy. We do also have Luxx kinky straight, and you get to choose any texture that you like or any lengths that you like. 3 bundles. And we also have an extra Luxx package, which includes the lengths 24 inches through 30 inches, which is what I am using. And this is the Luxx package, the extra Luxx package. So yes, that is a little breakdown on the Luxx packages, and I hope to see you soon, and I hope you book a Luxx package for hair included services, because our hair extensions are quality, great quality. You can keep using over and over again as long as you take care of it like it's yours, Luxx babes. So make sure you come and book a Luxx package with us today. So after I installed the 24-inch, I did go ahead and saturate the hair with water and a mousse, the Nairobi mousse. That's my favorite. And I went section by section to get the hair right. And the reason why I'm doing each bundle, because our curly hair is best to work with in sections. So that last curly bundle that you're seeing, I already saturated with the mousse and the Nairobi. Now I'm going in and doing the 24-inch bundle, and I'm going to do the same thing with the 22-inch bundle. And you see how effortlessly the hair is just like looking good, like it automatically looks good. And we're just defining the curls and getting it nice and curly. That's why we call it Luxx Curly, because it is giving Luxx, it is giving quality. And I do want to let y'all know I'm using the unbrush. Go get you one. When it comes to curly hair, the unbrush is everything. Go and get you some. Look how the brush is just gliding through the curls effortlessly. Go get you an unbrush. Now I'm about to install the last bundle, which is the 22-inch. And as you can see, y'all, I'm getting super excited because I'm almost at the finish line, okay? And your girl is ready for Jamaica. This is my vacation hair. Look at my nails, they're so pretty. Y'all, I am psyched, okay? Y'all, doing a sew-in yourself is not for the weak, okay? Your girl arms was super tired, but I had to get it done. But you don't have to do your sewing yourself, because that's why you have me. Make sure you book an appointment, Luxx babes. Here we are at the finish line, and your girl done did her last stitch, and here we are. And I only had a little bit of hair that I didn't install. That was it. Like, I got majority of the hair I can get in, and there I am, just saturating the hair. Like I told you guys, I just like to work in sections with my water and mousse and my brush. Here I am just braiding my leave out so I can get it together. I did go ahead and use water in my Nairobi, and I used some flexi rods. I used flexi rods because I needed my hair to get curly, like the Luxx Curly, because I have been heat training my hair and I needed to get like curls you see that's popping, okay? Luxx babes, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, comment, and tell me what videos you would like to see, because like I told y'all, this year is consistency only and we're going super up. Okay, so I did go ahead and do my whole 360 leave out with Nairobi and water, and I took small sections with my flexi rods and I just curled away. And off camera after this, I did sit under the dryer for a good 30 to 45 minutes just to define the curls with the Luxx curly hair extensions and to define my natural hair, because like I told y'all, my natural hair is heat trained, so the curls is kind of gone, but it ain't nothing like a little flexi rod or some curlers that can get it back curly. Okay, y'all, why did I take that flexi rod out so quick? It's so crazy. But your girl was just doing a little test screen. Okay, now I'm going in and I'm gonna let it sit for the 30 to 45 minutes under the dryer. So Luxx babes, this was the final outcome. It was so pretty, so effortlessly, y'all. It gave everything it's supposed to give. Y'all need to book y'all a Luxx package. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, Luxx babes, and I'm gonna put some clips at the end from Jamaica. Bye, Luxx babes.